Class 10, exercise number 8.3, question number 6. A bag contains 12 blue balls and X red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, first Roman number we want to find out what is the probability that it will be a red ball. And then second Roman number, if 8 more red balls are put in the bag and if the probability of drawing a red ball will be twice that of the probability of in Roman number 1, right? Then find the value of X. See, given blue ball, how much blue ball we have? 12. And then red ball is unknown value X. So the number of blue ball is 12, the number of red ball is equal to X, that is unknown value, right? For this blue ball, I take it as number of blue ball is equal to 12, and for this implies the number of red ball, let me take it as R, n of R is equal to unknown value X. Now we want to find out the total number of sample space. Total number of sample space is equal to 12 plus X. Sum of all the outcome, right? Sum of all the outcomes is equal to the sample space. So 12 plus X. So n of S is equal to 12 plus X. Now we want to find what is the probability of getting a red ball as an event. First Roman number, let R be the event of red ball, getting a red ball. So n of R, here we know that number of R is equal to X. Then probability of R is equal to n of R divided by n of S. N of R is equal to X, and then n of S is equal to 12 plus X. So the probability of getting red ball is equal to X divided by 12 plus X is the probability. And then second condition, if they have added, see the second condition, if 8 more red balls are put in the bag, 8 more red balls are put in the bag. See the second condition, 8 more red balls are added. Now n of red ball is equal to, already we have X, now we have to add 8. Now in the red ball is increased mean, then the total number of balls will be, the sample space also changed, right? So n of S, we know that already we have 12 plus X. Now we want to add this 8. So totally we get 20 plus X is the n of S. Now we want to find the probability for this red balls. So the probability of red ball is equal to n of R divided by n of S. N of R means 8 x plus 8 or 8 plus X divided by n of S is equal to 20 plus X. By condition is given, by the condition is given, probability of getting a red ball will be twice the number 1. The probability of getting, that is X plus 8 divided by 20 plus X, is twice the Roman number 1. What is the Roman number 1? We have already found out, that is X divided by 12 plus X. So X plus 8 divided by, the condition is the probability of getting red ball is equal to 2 times of first Roman number, that is the condition given. So the probability of R we have found out, that is X plus 8 divided by 20 plus X in kandupidichirukkom, and then 2 times of the first Roman number. First Roman number ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம், X divided by 12 plus X. இங்கே place பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 20 plus X is equal to 2 into X divided by 12 plus X. Now cross multiplication பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த 12 plus X இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போகிறோம், 20 plus X அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போயிடும். So by the cross multiplication we get this X plus 8 into 12 plus X is equal to 2X into 20 plus X. இதை multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ X into 12X plus X into X, X square plus 12 8s are 96. 18 into x is 8x is equal to இது உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம் 2 2s are 4, that is 40x plus 2x square. Here we have 12x and 8x ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணால் 20x வந்துடும் நமக்கு. 20x plus x square plus 96 is equal to 40x plus 2x square. இந்த ஹோல் டேர்மையும் அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போகிறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த ஹோல் டேர்மே அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன போகும், சிம்பிள் சேஞ்ச் ஆகி கொண்டு போகும். இங்கே 2x square plus 40x, இது அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா plus 20 minus 20x, இங்கே plus x square minus x square plus 96 minus 96 equal to 0. Now substitute this 2x square போச்சுன்னா x square, 40 20 போச்சுன்னா 20 with highest symbol is plus, minus 96 equal to 0. Now we have to go into simple factorization. When we multiple we need minus 96, if we add we need 20. What is the possibilities to get that number means? Very simple, 24 into 4. Here we need plus value, so highest value put plus and then least value put minus. Multiple this term, plus into minus minus, 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 96. Then the factors are x plus 24 is the one of the factor and then x minus 4 is the another factor. Now we want to find the value of x. Now x plus 24 equal to 0 and also we have x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have x minus x equal to, I take this 24 to another side, we get minus 24. Minus count in counting or measuring negative is not possible, right? It is impossible. So x is equal to, we get 4 is the answer. Now we want to find the probability of red. In first Roman number we get a probability of red is equal to x divided by 12 plus x. In the place of x I am going to apply the value 4. 4 plus 12 plus 4 is equal to 4 by 16 is nothing but 1 out of 4. So the probability of red ball is equal to 1 out of 4 is the probability of red ball, and also the value of x is equal to 4. Thank you students.